Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Triple A Tech. In today's video, I will show you step by step how to install Elasticsearch and Kibana on Windows. This will be a complete beginner friendly guide, so don't skip any part. First open your browser and go to the official download pages. I will provide you the link in the description. First we will download the Elasticsearch Windows file. Click on the Windows file. It will take some time to download. As you can see, the Elasticsearch is downloaded. Go to the Kibana folder and click on the Windows button. It will download the Kibana's setup. As you can see, the Kibana is also downloaded. Now go to your C drive, or you can go for the D drive and create a new folder and named it ELK. Open it and then go to the downloads folder where you downloaded the Kibana and the Elasticsearch files. Drag the Elasticsearch folder into the ELK folder. Do the same stuff for Kibana. Okay, drag the Kibana folder in the ELK folder. Now open the Elasticsearch folder. Go to the bin folder. Here you will see a file named elasticsearch.bat. Click on the address bar, type cmd and press enter. Now type elasticsearch.bat, press enter. Elasticsearch will start running. This may take some time the first time. If it opens the Windows security alert, then click on allow access. At the end you will see a username, password and a token. Here is the username Elastic and here is our password and here is our token for the Kibana. Now copy these details and save them in a text file. Now close the terminal where Elasticsearch is running by pressing Ctrl+C. We will test if Elasticsearch works correctly. Here it is asking to terminate batch job. You have to type Y and then enter. Okay, exit. Go back to the Elasticsearch folder, then go into the configuration folder. Open the elasticsearch.yml with notepad, or you can open it with VS Code. Scroll down to this line xpack.security.http.ssl. Here it is enabled. You have to first change it to false and then save. Now again back to the Elasticsearch folder and then open bin folder. On the address bar type cmd and press enter. Type elasticsearch.bat and then enter. Now go to your browser and type http://localhost 9200. Enter. It will ask username and password. You have to copy paste the username and password. The username is elastic and the password is this. Click on sign in. Here you will see JSON output. Now open your terminal. If the status shows to green, that means Elasticsearch is working fine. Now stop Elasticsearch by pressing Ctrl+C in the terminal. Terminate batch job. Yes. Enter. Exit. And then go back to the configuration folder and open the elasticsearch.yml file with notepad and find the xpack.security.http.ssl. Now again change it to the true. Close the file and then go back to the bin folder. Type cmd in the address bar. Run the Elasticsearch again. This step ensures we tested Elasticsearch properly and now we will run it again securely. Now minimize the windows but don't close it because Elasticsearch must be running in the background. Now let's set up Kibana. Go back to the Kibana folder, open the bin folder, click on the address bar, type cmd and press enter. Now type kibana.bat and press enter. The first time it may take a while. Here you can see the Kibana server is running at http localhost 5601. Go to the browser, type localhost 5601 and it will open the Elasticsearch. You will see the Kibana setup page. Now Kibana will ask for the token we saved earlier when Elasticsearch first started. Copy the token from your text file and paste it here. Click configure elastic. Go to the bin folder of the Kibana. Here you can see Kibana verification code.bat. Type cmd and press enter and then type Kibana verification code.bat. Press enter. It will give you the code. Copy this code and go to the browser and paste it and then verify. It will automatically configure Elasticsearch to get started. Kibana is connecting with the Elasticsearch. It will ask username and password. The username is elastic. Copy it and paste it. The password is copy this and paste it and login. Welcome to the Elastic page. Start by adding integrations or explore on my own. Now you can see the Elasticsearch and the Kibana both are installed. Now you can start using Kibana to visualize data and manage Elasticsearch easily. If you found this video helpful, please like this video, subscribe to Triple E Tech and check out my other videos.